Welcome to this brief meditation dedicated to cultivating presence and sharpening focus. Firstly, find a comfortable spot. Ensure you're seated or lying in a manner that releases all strain from your body. Now, inhale and exhale effortlessly. Sense the subtle movement of the air as it flows in through your nostrils and expands your chest before being exhaled. Every inhalation and exhalation acts as an anchor, rooting you deeply into the present. Dwell in this space of serenity and peace. Feel it. Relish it. Imagine a gentle radiance enveloping you, symbolizing the present moment's warmth and safety. As this warmth permeates, ponder the essence of presence. Being present is a gift to oneself. It's immersing oneself wholly in the unfolding moment. It's also a token of respect and care to others, marking our interaction with authenticity and connection. To dwell in the now is to discern the significance of each fleeting second and to prioritize where our mental energy flows. Every breath becomes a testament to living fully, drawing our attention from distraction back to the essence of life. As we cultivate presence within, it naturally extends to those around us. This act of being genuinely there for others is rejuvenating. It's a gesture of kindness that enriches our very soul. And should we occasionally drift away from this state of presence, all we need to do is gently acknowledge the diversion and return, with forgiveness, to our state of heightened awareness. Let's now vocalize some affirmations that solidify our commitment to presence and compassion, for ourselves and for others we meet in our daily lives. In the silence of your mind or audibly, follow my lead. I am fully present. I listen with understanding and patience. I extend genuine kindness and empathy. Marvelous. Let's imprint these affirmations deeper within our psyche. Once more, with heightened intent. I am fully present. I listen with understanding and patience. I extend genuine kindness and empathy. Well done. To be truly present is an act of self-love and an emblem of love for others. It's an affirmation that you value yourself and those around you, and you showcase this by devoting your undivided attention to them. Embrace this realization, cherish it, and remember that you can always revisit this meditation whenever you seek to reinforce your commitment to presence and focus. If you are enjoying this video so far, please don't forget to subscribe, share the video and comment. Now, gently draw your attention to your heart center, feeling its rhythmic beat, an ever-present reminder of the life within you. Consider, for a moment, the vast web of experiences, emotions, and interactions that have led you to this precise moment in time. Every encounter, every decision, every thought has shaped the very essence of who you are today. By embracing the present, we acknowledge and honor our journey, our story, and our growth. It's not just about being aware of the moment, but also understanding its connection to our past and its potential for our future. But to truly appreciate this, we must cultivate a deeper relationship with ourselves. Let's delve into this relationship. Inhale, drawing in self-awareness. Exhale, releasing judgments and preconceived notions about who you are. Feel a swell of gratitude rise within you. Gratitude for the resilience you've shown, the battles you've overcome, the lessons learned, and the love and kindness you've received and given. Presence is not just a state, it's a journey of self-discovery. It's about coming home to oneself, time and time again. As we deepen our focus, let's introduce a new set of affirmations to further nurture this relationship with self. I honor my journey. I cherish the wisdom of my experiences. I move forward with grace and understanding. Repeat these, feeling each word resonate within your being. I honor my journey. I cherish the wisdom of my experiences. I move forward with grace and understanding. Beautifully done. The beauty of presence and focus is that they are gifts we give to ourselves, and in turn, to the world around us. When we are present, we listen better, love deeper, and understand more profoundly. As we draw this meditation to a close, take a moment to set an intention. Perhaps it's to remain present during a challenging task, to listen more intently to a loved one, or to approach your day with renewed focus. Slowly start to become aware of your surroundings. Feel the ground beneath you, listen to the distant sounds, and when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Carry this cultivated presence with you, for it is a beacon of light in an ever-shifting world. Remember that you have the power to return to this state of mindfulness and focus whenever you choose. You are the master of your moments. Your subscriptions and likes motivate us to generate more content, so please keep supporting us. Check out this video showing on your screen right now, and I will see you on the other side.